Because I'm in the big blue engine, and I know everything. I shall complain whenever I want. You're just a small red engine with ideas about your station. Any what? One day I'll show you just what a big engine can do. Not speak to silly little engines for a start. Why can't Henry do it? He likes idling in stations. I just can't go up to speed. What a boring view. Important engines like me should have a pathetic view. Where I could see people and people could see me. Come on, come on. I could go faster than this. Sick? Me? Never. What happened? I'm the finest engine on the island of Sodor. Probably the finest in the world. Help me, please. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.